Ah, yes, floppy disks. Now, in this program this screensaver one, in this pack, there's some 3.1 floppy disks for the screensaver, and a couple that I don't think have anything on it, and another one that doesn't have anything on it. I know for sure because I checked that one. These two are 5-inch floppy disks for this antivirus program that I found. Um, these are probably more recognizable now, but the 3.1 discs are kind of a, big, thing. You'll see them on the save icons for many, many games. And of course, there's 2 discs for this thing. Why wouldn't there be 2 discs? Okay, that's the antivirus. Dump it down, and I might as well show you the 2 discs that actually work. The entire screensaver. That's them right there. Of course, it goes like this. That's disk 2 of 2, probably the rest of the program, and this is disk 1 of 2. These need to be inserted into a floppy disk player, drive, if you want them to work correctly. And that's about it. There's not much more I can say besides the fact that this screensaver program is unique in that it only needs 2 megabytes for the application size, and it's pretty power intensive. I'm not even sure if my Windows 10 64-bit can handle that. As you can see there, it needs a whopping Microsoft Windows version 3.1, personal computer using 8028.6 or higher processor, VGA or compatible video graphics adapter and monitor, 3.5 high density 144 megabyte disk drive, and a hard disk. The disks are already in here, and Microsoft mouse, and 2 megabytes of application memory. Wow. To be honest, that my computer could run that. The XP that I have downstairs could run that. And also, if I ever get a 5-inch disk drive, I'll try these ones. Well, that's about it.